In this video, we will show you how to add IDM extension in Chrome, Firefox and Brave browser. I will show you how to add manually IDM extension, and this method is working on every browser. First, you need to open your browser, then click on the three dots on the top right corner. Now navigate to More Tools option. Here you will find Extension option. Then click on Extensions. After that, the Extensions window will be open. Here you must have to enable the developer mode, which is at the top left corner. Though we are adding the extension file manually, we have to enable this option. After that, you have to open search option. You can type the Ctrl and S key together, then type on the search bar IDM or Internet Download Manager, then open the Internet Download Manager. From the best results, find out Internet Download Manager, click on it, then open the file location. Now you have to find out the CRX or IDM GCEXT file. After finding CRX file, drag and drop the file on your extension page of your browser. As I said before, this method is working in every browser. The following message will appear on your computer screen. It actually asking your permission. Just to click on Add Extension. You can see IDM extension successfully installed on your browser and it's enabled. Now open YouTube and play any video to check if the IDM extension is working properly or not. If download this video tab appear on the top of the video, then this means IDM extension is added successfully. That's it guys. If you think this video is useful, please like and subscribe to our channel. No more today. See you in the next video. Take care.